You're watching TVC News at 7. Ministry of State for the Federal Capital Territory has flagged off food palliatives for residents of the FCTA. The palliatives will be shared by the 6 area councils within the Federal Capital Territory. Moya Thomas reports.
The decision of many states and the FCTA to lock down their territories in order to contain the spread of the coronavirus pandemic in the country has made day-to-day living difficult for many poor and even middle-income families. These categories of people depend on daily working for an income to subsist. States like Lagos, Kaduna, Kwara, Osun, Abia, and many others have made palliative available to their citizens in order to mitigate the hardships brought about by the lockdown and lack of access to basic sources of income. The Federal Capital Territory has now joined the states in Nigeria that have done this. Thousands of bags of food items are displayed at the Abuja Arts and Culture Ground at the city center. They are to be shared to the very poor residents of the FCT.
This also gives a breakdown of about 2,500 bags of rice for each ward and 2,500 bags of condiment for each ward. This will be done across the 6 area councils, giving us a total of 600 bags of rice, 600,000 bags of rice, and 600,000 bags of condiment. This also, in essence, if you take an arithmetic of at least 5 people per household. Now we give you a total of 5 people multiplied by the 100 targeted poor and vulnerable in each area council.
The FCT administration is adopting a method of sharing that will ensure transparency and that the most vulnerable who are targets will get the palliatives. A supervising team from the FCT comprising women, religious groups, civil society organizations, traditional, media and security operatives have also been set up as part of measures to ensure the food doesn't get diverted. The gesture is expected to restore confidence in residents and convey to them the importance of the stay-at-home measures instituted by the federal government. This is coming in the wake of an alarming spike in the number of confirmed cases in the FCT due to community transmission. The Minister of State for the FCT, Ramoto Tijani, assures that in case of further extension of the lockdown by the federal government, more palliatives will be shared to the very vulnerable people in the FCT. Moya Thomas, TVC News, Abuja.